forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss practical problems based on linear inequity. Problem number 1. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first 2 unit test. Find the number if minimum marks he should get in third unit test have an average of at least 60 marks. तो पहले हमको क्या ना तीनों टेस्ट का एवरेज निकालना है और क्या आना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. तो फर्स्ट राइट मीनिंग ऑफ एटलीस्ट. वेन एवर अगर एटलीस्ट आपको कहीं भी दिखाई दे तो आपको क्या है लिखना है एटलीस्ट मीन्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एंड फॉर एटमोस्ट मीन्स लेस देन इक्वल टू. एटलीस्ट मीन्स मिनिमम, एटमोस्ट मीन्स मैक्सिमम. और अगर हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो एटलीस्ट मतलब कम से कम और एटमोस्ट मीन्स अधिकतम, अधिक से अधिक, मैक्सिमम. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप्स let marks obtained by Ravi in third unit test be x according to problem. अब एवरेज ऑफ मार्क्स means sum of marks upon number of test. 70 plus 75 plus x और एवरेज कैसे निकालेंगे 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. और एटलीस्ट ये जो एवरेज वो क्या होना चाहिए मिनिमम क्या होना चाहिए 60 ज़्यादा हो सकता है उससे कम नहीं हो सकता. अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस इनइक्विटी. 70 plus 75 so 145 plus x upon 3 greater than equal to 60. Multiply both side by 3. 3 is positive number, yani inequity remains same. So 145 plus x upon 3 into 3. So 3 or 3 cancel. And 60 into 3, 180. So x is greater than equal to 180 minus 145 means 35. मीन्स मिनिमम मार्क्स 35. यानी रवि क्या करेगा रवि को मिनिमम 35 मार्क्स चाहिए थर्ड टेस्ट में तो उसका एवरेज क्या होगा मोर देन 60. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. फाइंड ऑल पेयर्स ऑफ कॉन्जुगेटिव ओड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स बोथ ऑफ विच आर स्मॉलर देन 10 सच डेट देयर सम इज मोर देन 11. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस कंसिडर लेट two conjugative odd positive integers b x and y where y equal to x plus 2. Why y equal to x plus 2? Because odd integers, two consecutive odd integers means 3 5 5 7. तो उनमें डिफरेंस कितना होता है 2. If one of the number is 3 then other number is 3 plus 2 5. So let us consider two consecutive odd positive integers be x and y where y equal to x plus 2. And now according to problem, both positive integers are smaller than 10. x less than 10. Give equation number 1. Second, y is less than 10 and value of y is x plus 2. So x plus 2 is less than 10 means x is less than 8. Send to right side. Give equation number 2. x is less than 10 equation 1, x is less than 8 equation number 2, and last condition their sum is more than 11. x plus y is more than 11. y means x plus 2. is more than 11. Simplify. X plus x, 2x, send to that side. So 11 minus 2, 9. Dividing both sides by 2. So x is greater than 9 by 2 means 4.5. Equation number 3. Now find such integers, positive integers, odd integers which satisfy all the three equations. So first draw number line. Now put all the values. X equal to 10, x equal to 8. 10 इधर होगा, 8 10 के इधर होना चाहिए और 4.5 इधर होगा. अब now which portion satisfy all the equation? x less than 10, यानी x की वैल्यू 10 से ग्रेटर देन नहीं हो सकती, नहीं इधर का कोई भी ओड इंटीजर नहीं हो सकता. 11 13 15, तो ये तो हो गया आपका रिजेक्ट. सेकेंड इक्वेशन x इज लेस देन 8, मतलब 8 के उधर वाले भी इंटीजर्स नहीं हो सकते पॉजिटिव ओड इंटीजर्स, तो 8 के उधर भी आपका कैंसिल हो गया. थर्ड इक्वेशन क्या बोल रहा है? x इज ग्रेटर देन 4.5, मतलब 4.5 से लेस देन इंटीजर नहीं ले सकते अपन, तो इधर भी नहीं ले सकते हैं. यानी हम कौन से ओड इंटीजर्स लेंगे? ओड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर बिटवीन 4.5 एंड 8. अब हाउ मेनी ओड इंटीजर्स बिटवीन 4.5 एंड 8? 5 and 7. So therefore x equal to 5 and 7. But our question is find two conjugative odd positive integers. One is x and other is y. So therefore y is equal to, when x equal to 5, in that case value of y is 5 plus 2 7, and when x equal to 7, then value of y is 7 plus 2 9. So therefore required pairs are 5 and 7, 5, 7 and 7 and 9. Next problem. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. Longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, find the minimum length of the shortest side. So first let length of shortest side is equal to x centimeter. Therefore length of longest side which is 3 times the shortest side means 3x, and length of third side is equal to 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. So 3x minus 2 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle is this plus this is at least 61 centimeter. According to problem, sum of all the 3 sides is greater than equal to 61. 3x or x, 4x plus 3x, 7x minus 2 is greater than equal to 61. 7x is greater than equal to 61 plus 2, 63. Dividing both sides by 7. So x is greater than equal to 63. It means minimum length of the shortest board is 63. Therefore minimum length of shortest board therefore minimum length of shortest side is equal to 63/7 9 equal to 9 centimeter. Next problem. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length. Single piece of board. For example, this is single piece. A man wants to cut this board into 3 pieces of board of length 91 centimeter. Total length is 91 centimeter. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. Second length is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest, and third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. Third length is twice of shortest. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second? So first, let length of shortest board is equal to x centimeter. Length of second board equal to, what is the relation between shortest board and second board? Second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest, means x plus 3 centimeter, and length of third board. अब length of third board is twice as long as shortest, means 2x centimeter according to problem. अब देयर आर 2 सिचुएशंस. इससे हमें 3 पीस कट करने हैं. एक तरीका तो ये हो सकता है 3 पीस कट कर दिया अपन ने, 1 2 एंड 3, फर्स्ट पीस सेकंड पीस एंड थर्ड पीस, और तीनों का जो सम हो कितना होगा 91 होगा. या इनमें से मान लो आपने 3 पीस कट कर कुछ पोर्शन बच गया, इस तरह से हम कट कर सकते हैं 3 पीसेस, फर्स्ट पीस सेकंड पीस और थर्ड पीस, और ये बच गया इतना से रिमेनिंग, मीन्स सम ऑफ 3 पीसेस इक्वल टू 91 और लेस देन 91. सो x plus 3 plus 2x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 91. इक्वल भी हो सकता है और लेस देन भी हो सकता है. x और 2x 4x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 91 minus 3 88. Dividing both side by 4, so x is less than equal to 22. Give equation number 1. Now second situation. Last line. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece means 2x is to be at least, means greater than equal to 5 centimeter longer than second. 5 plus second means x plus 3. Now simplify. 2x minus x is greater than equal to 5 plus 3 8. 2x minus x and 5 plus 3 8. Now rearrange. X is greater than equal to 8, means 8 is less than equal to x. Give equation number 2. अब now combine these two results from equations 1 and 2. 8 is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 22. Means length of shortest board lies between 8 centimeter and 22 centimeter. In next lecture, we will take more questions based on linear inequity. Thank you. Have a nice day.